Hello everyone, I'm Hamza Ali, founder and CEO of ILM Orbit Consultants. We are providing our professional survey. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, studying in Germany. As an international student, Germany offers a wealth of opportunities that can shape your future. Let's explore why Germany is an ideal destination for your studies. First, why is Germany the best choice for international students? Germany is known for its high quality education, innovative research, and a strong economy. The country is home to some of the world's top universities, many of which offer programs in English. Additionally, Germany has a rich cultural heritage and a vibrant student life, making it an attractive place to live and learn. Now let's talk about intakes in Germany. Most universities in Germany have two main intakes, the winter semester, which typically starts in October, and the summer semester beginning in April. It's essential to check the specific deadlines for each university as they can vary. Next, let's weigh the pros and cons of studying in Germany. On the positive side, you'll benefit from low or no tuition fees, a diverse student community, and excellent job prospects after graduation. However, some challenges include the language barrier, especially if you're not fluent in German, and the competitive admission process for certain programs. When searching for universities, start by identifying your field of interest. Use online platforms like DAAD, which provides comprehensive information about universities and courses. Don't forget to consider factors like location, university ranking, and available support services for international students. Now, let's discuss the application process. Generally, you'll need to gather your academic transcripts, proof of language proficiency, and a motivation letter. Each university may have specific requirements, so be sure to check their guidelines carefully. Speaking of language proficiency, let's highlight the importance of IELTS. Many universities require proof of English proficiency, and IELTS is widely accepted. A good score can enhance your application and demonstrate your readiness for academic challenges. Another crucial aspect is the blocked account. This is a special bank account that international students must open to prove they can financially support themselves during their studies. The required amount is approximately 11,208 euros per year, which is meant to cover living expenses. Moving on to the visa process, it's essential to apply for a student visa well in advance. You'll need your university admission letter, proof of financial resources, health insurance, and a valid passport. The visa application can take several weeks, so plan accordingly. Now, let's discuss expenses in Germany. While tuition fees are low, living costs can vary depending on the city. On average, students should budget around 800 to 1,200 euros per month for accommodation, food, transportation, and leisure activities. If you're considering studying in Germany, I encourage you to reach out to ILM Orbit Consultants. We specialize in guiding students through the entire process, from university selection to visa applications. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this information helps you on your journey to studying in Germany. Don't hesitate to contact us for personalized assistance. Good luck and see you in Germany.